Look, we got a patron.
Well, we don't have the drink here.
Yep.
We don't have the gin.
Nope.
But we did make a drink.
Yep.
And it's tropical and it's fizzy.
And it's tasty.
And we're going to bring it to the pool, so you better watch it.
It's going to be a new one, though, because that one's going to be gone.
It attracts cats, apparently.
Ah.
Brings cats.
And who doesn't like kitties?
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Danny and Derek going to show you how to make a cocktail that has another puree in it. This is what is this?
This is a passion fruit.
Passion fruit puree.
Passion fruit.
So maybe it's going to be tart. Let's see. This is called the Tropical Gin Fizz. This has got 3.5 ounces of gin because you want to feel it. 3/4 ounce of passion fruit puree, 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, an ounce of pineapple juice, 2 to 3 ounces of soda water to top, and that's going to be it, my friends. The soda
3.5
water.
ounces of gin.
Yeah, well, you got soda water.
Where's this one meant to be drank, Jen? Just out of curiosity.
What?
Where's this meant to be consumed
This
at?
could be a pool drink. It's
could
got
be a
soda
pool-
water.
3.5 ounces of gin? Shit, anywhere you want.
Yeah, that's a solid.
That's a solid pour.
That's a solid opening.
I mean, that's like a...
I wanted to taste the gin.
Right. It's got 2 to 3 ounces of soda water, right? You don't.
Yeah.
You're gonna
It's
dilute
true.
it down,
It waters it down.
which you're really gonna want to do because the passion fruit's gonna probably be tart. We know it's gonna be tart.
Well, how much sugar?
3/4?
3/4?
Is there enough in there? Yep. Dude, I've had that sugar for like ancient times.
And now you have an empty bottle.
Yeah.
You finally did
You
it.
should put it on the mantle or something. Remember the
Clean it
good
up.
days.
Put it with all of our gin shrine. Our dead
We could put it with all of our dead guinea pig that we have all lined up upstairs.
Those are our animals and our first simple syrup ever.
Older than all the animals.
Like that was your first simple syrup? Well, not really. but
Yeah.
It was this one.
We had it for a long time.
It was old.
It's probably as old as the dog that's up there.
Is there 3.5 ounces in here? We're going to have to mix
Oh,
gins.
that's right.
You got plenty.
Well, there's mixed gins.
Yeah. Plus, I mean, we have too much gin
It's
in
not
it.
what I
There's no way
intended,
there's
but
3.5
it's fine.
ounces in there.
Oh, look, it's there. It's there.
Two.
I can't drink that.
There's no way. I can see it in there. Unless you're holding back.
He's holding it.
Yeah, you gotta just tip
Oh,
that
dude,
shit.
it's only like 1/4 of an ounce.
2 and 3. I need another 3/4 ounces.
Well, that's fine.
Do you want to just do...
We can just do
Another bottle for your pet mantle.
No, look at that. We got 2 things to put up.
Oh, yeah. Now, I'm not going to have any room.
Yeah.
So what do you got? I got dead guinea pigs and a
Dead bottles.
dead bottle.
Yeah, you.
So
I guess that is a lot of gin.
it's a good day.
Yeah.
I told you, it's a
I can
good
see
amount of
through the
gin.
light.
No, not you. I'm talking about the cat that's scratching the
Okay.
chair.
Because you use the same tone. So wasn't sure.
That's just my mom telling you.
Okay.
What are you doing over
What are you
there?
doing? Hey, put that
Something
down.
wrong.
Stop doing that. You know what you're doing.
It's funny how you stop.
Trained.
He's like, what am I doing wrong?
Freeze.
Plus, we get the soda water still.
Yeah.
I don't know if we need to fill that thing with fresh ice because
No.
this is a lot of cocktail.
What are you
It
talking
is.
about?
I can
This is
feel
a pool
I
cocktail
can
right
feel
here.
how hefty this is.
Oh, it's going to be
How
hefty.
hefty.
That's a lot.
is gonna
And
be
then 2
chunky.
3 ounces of soda water?
Oh, we got
Yeah,
it.
just put a couple.
Dude, that's not enough ice.
Where you, I guess you could say it.
Yeah, you could also just not pour it all. Like, it's not a requirement that you empty the yeah, you can make 2.
You know, I mean,
Too late.
I don't know why,
It's
like,
just Whoa!
Pay attention, Ian.
when Ian's doing something, you give him instructions that he's not going to follow. You ain't got to bring that all the way up to the top. He's just like, fuck you.
I'm like a cat.
I hear what you're saying.
Yeah, he's just like, what do you want me to do? Stop halfway? Fuck.
You just gave us the evil eye.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
No, I was pretending to be a cat. Because like when you look at a cat and they're like,
Yeah.
no, don't.
That's exactly what they do.
We need a straw in this thing?
Yeah.
Bing, bang, boom.
Drop!
You got to, well, we'll give it a little stir.
Let me see if
Yeah, make the picture first. Does it fit?
Yeah, let me figure out this
Oh, little lady.
thing. This. thing. We good.
They're chewing on it.
You can't read this face.
No. No, I
You don't have any water in yours.
I don't know if it's good or not.
You have water on yours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When it's really good, you can't hold back.
You know what's weird? So we get like water delivered, and I got these seltzers. Every single one of them exploded.
That's good.
Every one.
Awesome.
Not just like when I ordered, like not when they just showed up when they shipped, but like the whole like month. Every time I'd open one, I'd forget, and it would go and explode everywhere.
Is that a cool drink?
Hmm.
I don't know. It's a little bit thick because of the passion fruit.
It's a little tart.
A little tart. Makes
You
wanna
can
keep
water that
drinking.
bitch up more. He only had like a little bit of water though.
Well, it said 2-3 ounces. I thought
You didn't even measure. You just topped it.
it says top with soda water.
Again,
Top with 2 to 3 ounces of soda water.
you're giving him directions that like he doesn't want. He's just trying to figure out if he's going to refrain from doing whatever.
How much am I going to resist the instructions?
Yeah.
Where I just figured he's just gonna keep pouring it all over the table.
That would not be the second overpouring episode I would have experienced this week.
Right.
Right?
Plus the water all over.
Is it better with more?
I mean, it would be more of a pool drink.
Yeah.
But I could see, bringing the spoon and you add the seltzer in when you make the top.
Yeah. Yeah.
You took it away already? They're going to drink it all. No, it's okay.
You know what though? It's more boozy now.
He grabbed him.
It's like, no, you don't.
It's
He
got.
knows.
Yeah.
It's
That
got,
was the closest I've ever seen a cat to galumphing, which is an actual word. It's how seals move. They galumph.
You watch a lot of National Geographic.
Yeah, but at the same time, he
I brought-
remembers the word.
I'm bringing stuff to the table tonight. I got gurning,
Yeah.
galumphing.
What do you call
A lot
that?
of G's. A lot of
G's.
G's.
What do you call the earthy scent when it rains?
That's petrichor.
Damn it! He's got all the words.
What is that?
Yeah, I still don't taste
Petrichor?
the gin out of that.
You don't taste gin?
I think-
Of those 3.5 ounces of gin, you don't taste any of it?
No.
I got it like at
Yeah,
the end.
that's, I don't. I mean, it's not like.
I got a little bit of booziness near the finish.
I mean, if people are watching this, they may think you have a problem.
I'm telling you, that's why there's so much gin in there.
Yeah, there's you can't taste it.
No.
Did we drink it all before we gave it to him?
Yeah, maybe you
Yeah.
drank all the gin. And
Yeah.
The who is it? User person.
It's good,
says
though.
his wife got him a Soda Stream. Now we've done years with Soda Stream. Like I used to use it all the time, like to make sodas and stuff like that for cocktails. The problem I had with Soda Stream is I always ended up with the stupid container things, and I could never recycle them. Like,
Oh, you have to exchange them.
right, you have to exchange them, but they had a thing with you go to Walmart and they would ship them out, and then Walmart stopped doing it, and then like UPS would refuse to take them because they were compressed air. Even if you finished it, they wouldn't take them. I was just like, you know what, it's not even worth time. Now I just use a little
Here we go.
club soda maker. Holy crap!
There you go.
It's all gone.
Must be.
That's
It's-
why it's a full drink.
It's not that we gave it to you half full. It's we gave it to you 2 minutes ago.
Whatever. It doesn't matter. You make shit up no matter what.
That's all I'm saying.
I don't even know if it was 2 minutes ago. Oh, there's more.
There's more.
He's been
Fantastic.
saving it.
Yeah, I forgot about that until I started washing the glass.
Well, don't put too much into the club soda because
Do you want to put any of that in?
No,
Hold
yeah,
on.
okay.
You got to give him instructions, but give him just half the instructions you want. That's
Well,
that's too much water.
that was for the peanut gallery.
So you
That's
destroyed
for him.
Dan's drink so that the peanut gallery would have to like see
It's a
it.
good drink. I don't-
so fast.
I could probably do this at the pool.
Yeah, with the water. You did
Yeah, with the right amount
With the water, yeah.
the trick is this is just a me problem more so, but when making the drink, you have to instruct that the person who's pouring, like that's pulling it out of the
Oh, yeah,
jar,
you
that they need to
roll
top it.
Just put a little
Right.
sign on.
Yeah.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, most of the people who do usually hand me the glass and go, "Can I have more?" Like Michelle, and like they'll just ask for
Well,
more.
yeah, I mean, but you're
You
always
guys already
gonna
know how
that.
to do it,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a very approachable drink,
Yeah, it's just
Yeah,
it's
it's
a 2-stage.
which is good.
Especially after coming off 2 drinks that had Serrano and Habanero.
yeah, it's a little
bitters.
different.
that one became a little bit more approachable.
Oh
And then you can kind of play around with how much seltzer you want to.
Yeah, because you could just get it to the
Yeah.
tartness you want.
Yeah. And then
Because it's obviously got enough gin.
if you add enough seltzer, it becomes a seltzer drink.
Oh,
There you go.
this could be
Maybe
like a
hard
White
to-
Claw.
See? Yeah, see? So
This is-
seltzer guy?
Like a White Claw. that
Any
doesn't
drink
suck.
can be a seltzer
Look
drink.
at this is a seltzer
We're
drink.
doing a deep dive.
Deep dive
Deep dive.
right there.
We've come
Right in
full
the shallow
circle
end.
from the beginning of the fucking.
Yeah, I got to hold
Right.
Dan up like
Yeah, shit.
like the little
That's
lion.
a callback for the people who've been bearing with us. On
Yeah,
the last
yeah.
two.
Bearing,
So,
you got you'd be bearing.
They've
So
been waiting for that.
we've got to.
Did
the
you want
pool
to finish
for
this?
What?
Oh, you got it.
We can do that.
You can drop.
The tropical gin fizz. Make yours today.
It's a good thing I can't see your face.
Right? The lights are too bright.
Yeah,
It's
the
like-
lights are too
it's
bright.
you hear the noise, but like you can't physically. I can see some shadows.
She's gonna miss you in a couple weeks.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Down below, link to get yourself some puree and for
I feel a
shop.ospreys.com.
scowl though. I really feel a scowl through those lights.
You should.
Yeah. Like I can't see it, but I know it's not
there.
good.
It's definitely there.
That's it.
It's like a D&D adventure when you get into the cave and you can feel the eyes open.
Yeah.
You know you're in
You can
trouble.
see the eyes.
Make your saving throw versus fear. All right, that's dirty enough. We'll teach you how to drink.
Well, we definitely kept failing our common sense save.
Yeah.